Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Now, if you're new, then subscribe to this channel because on this channel, I share ideas, insights, tools, and tactics. So, if you want to grow really fast in the software industry, then subscribe now and press the bell icon. So, let us begin. Hi Pawan. Hi sir. I'm working in software from past 8 years. Now I'm totally stressed. I am preparing for government exams, but it's not working. I don't know why I decided to commit suicide. See, Pawan, who decides whether your software career is good or not? Who decides that? Okay, if you start comparing your software career with other people, then always there is going to be somebody who's going to be better than you. Okay, if you start comparing your career with other people, then always there will be somebody who's going to be better than you. You are always going to be, you'll keep chasing something that you want in the future, but things are not going to change because you're not changing things at this moment. Okay, so if you want a change in this moment, I don't know why you are giving a government exam, you are in a software company. Try to become a better software engineer within your own company. Try to do better work. Try to build better applications. Try to, if you're not good at building software application, do agile and become a project manager. Try in the field where you don't need to do programming. It's very easy to give up. What is the guarantee that things are going to be better afterwards? Okay, so you don't need to give up with whatever you are doing. Okay, what I always say is that when you don't know where your career is going, first thing is to slow down and uh, stop comparing yourself with all the other people. Okay, start thinking of what is good within your career and start thinking of small incremental changes you can make. Okay, see, success is nothing but very simple, small incremental gains that you have over a long period of time. Small incremental gains over a long period of time is going to give you success. And what is failure? Small mistakes that you commit again and again, again and again over a long period of time is going to lead to failure. Okay, so success does not happen in one day, failure also does not happen in one day. Okay, it takes a long time for failure. It's okay if you feel you have failed. From there, you can start over again and you can be successful from that point onwards. Okay, any given point of time, that is, it's not that my career has been all very good. There was a time when I did not have a job in hand. Okay, and I was in some foreign country and I was not having the money to support my family. I was not having the ability, I was not getting a job. I was sending every day, I was sending 10, 15, 20 applications. In 3 months time I must have sent 400 applications. I was not getting a job and there was a huge frustration, and this can happen to anybody. But the only thing is I did not give up. Okay, today I failed, I did not get a job. Tomorrow try again. Failed, not get a job. Tomorrow try again. So whatever it is that you're not getting, even my software development career started like that. When I started building software, I did not know programming. I started learning programming. Okay, there used to be time when I used to fail and I could not go beyond a certain point. Then I used to sit and try to solve the problem, and I did not have help. I used to sit and try to solve. Next day, I used to come back, try to solve again, and then I used to get success. Then go forward. This has happened so many different times. Okay, as far as I am concerned, Pawan, only we only fail when we give up. We only fail when we give up. If we don't give up, no matter what happens, we remain successful. Okay, and you don't know when success will come to you. you. You don't know in what forms success will come to you. If you think that this industry is not for you, do something else where you feel that you will be good. There are so many things in today's date. You can just do a 3 months course with something and just totally shift your career fully. Okay, there are so many opportunities available. You can start doing this YouTube channel if you want, completely change something. Okay, but what I am saying is that you don't have to give up. Okay, and I would suggest that start meeting with people, start talking to friends, start talking with your family. Don't talk about your job, don't talk about anything that is about failure. Start talking about things that you like to talk about. Change your mindset, start changing your mind, make yourself more and more positive. Okay, see, it's very simple. If you read the quote, I have a quote that I've put on my Instagram handle. Okay, if you go to my Instagram handle, yesterday I put one quote. Okay, and I want to read that code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up that quote and I'm going to read that quote. Just give me a moment. But it is very important quote, because this quote, if you can understand this quote will solve all your problems. Okay, this quote will certainly solve all your problems if you can understand this quote. Can you see this? We can knock our brains and bodies out of normal physiology just by thinking about all too familiar past or trying to control an unpredictable future. Okay, so remember this, all our emotions are based on either past or on future. All our emotions. So when we feel depressed, we feel depressed because we have done something wrong in the past, there is some problems that has happened in the past. Okay, we feel anxious, we feel that will things be better, that is we are thinking about the future. Will I have money tomorrow, will I have my job tomorrow, will I get an appraisal tomorrow, will my salary increase tomorrow? We are either thinking about past or we are either thinking about future. But whether you think about past or future, your current moment matters the most. Okay, if you're coming on this live and you are asking this question, this is your first step. But the current moment matters the most. In the current moment, whatever you decide, whatever decisions you make, that will create your future. Okay, so if you decide to become the best in whatever you are, okay, and you start working 1% every day to become better in whatever you are doing, then automatically within a few days, few months, few years, you will become good. And when you remember this day, when you started this process, it was in the current moment that you took the action. Okay, so the current moment is important. Okay, and a lot of people forget your past has nothing to do with your future. Your past is gone now. You cannot change your past. You can change your future by your current actions, whatever you do. So whatever you do, whether you decide to learn something new, whether you decide to work on something, whether you decide to uh, take certain actions every day which is going to change your, and I'm not telling you that things are going to change within one day, but in this moment your decision of change will start. It will start a chain reaction. One thing will lead to another, another thing will lead to another, one thought will lead to another thought, and things will become better. But you have to start with a positive thought. You have to start with what were the positive moments in your life, in your entire life. Even if there was one good positive moment, you have to think about that positive moment. Maybe during school you are really good student, maybe in college you mastered one subject really well, maybe you are a very good singer, maybe you are an artist, or you know how to tell shairis really well, maybe you are a good musician. anything. You're very good in sports, maybe you're a good cricketer, maybe you can hit six like Dhoni. I don't know what you're good at, but that one good thought, from that one good thought, you say, if I can do this, I can also do this. If I can do this, then I can also do this. And you start changing your thoughts. Okay, and the more you start thinking, then your beliefs will go from negative to positive. And when your beliefs start going negative to positive, automatically things will start improving for you. Okay, so it is all in this moment what you decide, and from this moment everything will change for you. And this is the best I can guide you, Pawan. I would suggest you not to bring such thoughts to your mind. Talk to your family, talk to your friends, take medical help if it is required, to get out of this situation and get into a better situation from where everything will be good. Okay, see, we all have one life, and it is in this one life we don't even know whether we'll have the next life or not. Nobody knows that. So in this one life, whatever it is good, bad, ugly, whatever it is, this one life we have to live fullest, to till our last breath we have to live and make something out of it. And maybe it's not necessary that you become really great. No, within your limits you are a good person. You can become the kindest person on the planet, and that will be your success in life. Maybe you become the best, the most honest employee within your company, and that becomes your, or you become a person who smiles every day, and that is your achievement. Okay, achievement need not be always be measured with money and success and fame and all these things. Okay, these are all materialistic achievement. They will come and go. But there are some achievements which will live with you forever. Okay, so try to think about that and try to change yourself in that space. I hope that this works for you, Pavan. I really wish this works for you. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, okay, and share these videos as much as possible. Thank you very much. Stay focused, stay rich, and see you in the next video.